Yeah, I mean, in this industry, it's not as simple as validating whether or not your car drives down the road, right? These are relatively low volume, relatively high complexity assets in the manufacturing space, and it becomes a finger pointing game when that asset isn't performing to the specification it was sold on. That may be the operators aren't properly trained. It may be that the upstream or downstream equipment isn't operating efficiently. It may be the material that's going into the system is somehow defective. Ultimately, it also may be, of course, the OEM's machine is just not up to the quality that is required to achieve the performance that they committed to. At the end of the day, in most scenarios, all these things are true. There's pieces and parts of all these various different aspects that lead to an underperforming machine, and you end up with a bunch of people arguing about whose fault it is, when in point of fact, they need to be working together and working closely to come to as efficient a resolution to optimize the performance of that machine as possible.